Do you know you can use AI within WhatsApp now? Meta recently released Meta.ai, which is backed by Llama 3 model, and this particular AI tool is available within your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, all Meta products. In this video, let me show you how can you access Meta.ai from your WhatsApp. Also, I will show you how this particular AI tool can be utilized on day-to-day basis just from your mobile device whenever you are accessing WhatsApp. You can utilize this new feature within WhatsApp as an alternative to ChatGPT, and this also gives you some of the prominent features which are available in paid plan of ChatGPT, but here it's absolutely for free. Meta.ai can be accessed in both ways, from your mobile devices whenever you are using WhatsApp from your mobile, and that's the normal way how we use. Another option is using the web version. Now here I opened my WhatsApp in my web browser and let me show you those use cases. However, the same thing will work on your mobile also. I would not ask you to like or subscribe now. I would request you to watch this video till end. Hopefully you will get some value and then only you can like and subscribe. Here you will be able to see there is one new icon and this is Meta.ai. If you click on that, now in the right pane this Meta.ai console will open. Now here it's showing some of the basic prompt suggestions. If I click on this one, what are the most popular shows on Netflix, it will start working and it will show us the result. You can see it started generating the content and it's showing. Now, one good part is it generated the content and it is also giving you links, and if you click here, it will open those websites from where it pulled out these details. So it's giving you citation and references where you can go and you can check also. So if I just click on any of this particular link, it will open that web page in a different tab. Now let me show you 9 different use cases. How can you use Meta.ai within WhatsApp? Now first option is you can ask anything, whatever you are asking ChatGPT as of date. If you are using ChatGPT for certain requirement on daily basis, you can start using Meta.ai to ask similar questions. Let me show you a very easy example here. I'm looking for a packing list. What I mentioned, I'm planning to travel to Delhi in December. Please help me with a packing list. If I hit enter, it will start generating the content. Now one good thing to notice here, it recognized in the month of December what will be the temperature. And based on that, it is suggesting you the clothings. So it is good. And you can utilize in the similar way whatever you ask in ChatGPT, all those questions you can ask in Meta.ai and you will be getting required result. Now the best part is this additional capability is absolutely for free and it is on your fingertip. Whenever you are using your mobile device, you will be able to utilize it. Before we go to the next point, I am in process to record a comprehensive course covering ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini. I added one link in the description below with a Google form. Please do fill out the form if you want to get a 70% discount coupon once the course will be live. This will be a comprehensive course, whatever you need to know about ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini. Now let me show you another very good option, and this is something very good which Meta.ai brought in. If I paste one prompt here, /imagine, whenever you are generating any image, within this particular tool, you need to type /imagine and then imagine a bird. And if I hit enter, it will generate an image of a bird. You can see it generated the image. Now the fun part, if I just type animate and then I hit enter, then you can see the magic. It generated one GIF image and this is animated. And you can see this is that easy. Within just a single word, it animated the image which it generated just a couple of seconds back. This is really good which Meta.ai brought in, and that's too within our WhatsApp application, whatever we use on daily basis. Now this was fun. Now let me ask some serious question. I pasted one prompt here. I'm preparing for an interview for project manager role. Please simulate an interview for me. And if I hit enter, it will start generating the content. I'd be happy to simulate a project manager interview with you, just like in a real interview. I'll ask you questions and you will respond. Now you can see it generated the content and it is simulating the interview. It asked the first question, tell me something about you. And this is the way all interview starts, right? So this is the way you will be able to utilize this particular tool to prepare for something. So this can be another use case using which you will be able to prepare yourself for any upcoming interview, and that too whenever you are on the go and just using your WhatsApp application. Now let me show you another good option here. Whenever we are using our WhatsApp and we are on the go, if I ask this particular question, can you help me to find a cafe nearby? Now it's asking where are you and what's your location. Now once you will provide the location name, it will give you those options. Let me show you how. So I typed I'm in Kaduguri, Bangalore, and if I hit enter, now you can see it is giving you options. What are the nearby cafes are available? Starbucks, Anda Chai, everything. All those things it is mentioning, and it is also giving you record links where you can just click and you will be able to see more details. Similar way, whenever you have some requirement, you can mention that please use my current location and show me nearest petrol pumps. And there also it will give you all those available petrol pumps nearby, and you will be able to check using these links also. Now let's see another scenario where maybe you are traveling any of the foreign country and there you don't know the local language and you need certain text to be translated. And this is on the go whenever you are using your mobile phone, and you can do it within WhatsApp only. And if I just show you how can you use it, here what I mentioned, please help to translate below text to French. And I gave some of the text, and if I hit enter, it will translate this particular text to French. Now I don't know how to read French, but in case any of you know, you can check and see that if this generated text is correct or not. But this is one use case. Maybe you are traveling somewhere and you don't know the local language or the language of that country, and you can translate any text in that particular language. Now the next scenario, if you are a coder or a developer and you are looking for some of the code to be generated, you can use Meta.ai there also. I'm just asking, can you generate Python code? And let's see what his response comes with. And yes, I can generate Python code for wide range of tasks and applications. So if you have any requirement, you can just ask and you will be able to get those results. And the most beautiful part is it is on the go all the time available for you. Another good use case, whenever you are using WhatsApp, you receive certain message, and before you respond, you want to check grammar or spelling of your response. That way also you can do. You can just copy the text whatever you received and you ask Meta.ai to generate a response for you. But just ensure one thing, when you are copying the text from Meta.ai and pasting in that chat window, there please ensure to add one additional space after the generated text so that it will not show as a forwarded message to the recipient. So this is one trick you can use when you will be using Meta.ai to generate a response for your WhatsApp messages. Now another thing to show here, maybe you are in a group chat or you are chatting with someone, there you can invoke Meta.ai. You just need to type @ and then Meta.ai option will be there, and you can click on that and then you can ask anything. Maybe you have a group chat of 4 or 5 friends and there you want to invoke Meta.ai to answer something for all of you. That also is possible. So this is the way you will be able to bring Meta.ai in any of the existing conversation also. Now we talked about all scenarios, but if you are not able to see this particular icon, there are few ways you can check it. As of now, this particular option is not available for business accounts. In case your WhatsApp number is registered as a business account, this is still not available as of the date of this recording. Second one is, if you are not able to see, just check if you are using the updated version of WhatsApp or not. That's one of the basic thing you need to check. After updation also, if it's still not working, take a full backup of your WhatsApp and then uninstall it from your mobile and reinstall again, and you should be able to get it. Now after that also, if it doesn't work, then you may need to wait for some time because there's a new feature which WhatsApp is rolling out in phased manner, and maybe it will be available for you very soon. Hope you got some value from this video. If you like the content, please like this video and also do subscribe to my channel for similar contents in future. Let me know in the comments below if any of the scenario will be helpful for you. If I missed anything, please let me also know. I'll add in my future videos. If you want to generate a PowerPoint presentation using free version of ChatGPT, please check this video to know everything about it.